Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to exactly create a customer invoice in Sage 50 2025. Step by step, let's dive right in. First, head over to the Sales tab in Sage 50 and then click on New Invoice. You'll start by entering the key details for your customer invoice. Customer, a type or name, or select Add Customer if it's a new one. Invoice date. This is the date the invoice is being created. Super important for your records. Reference. You can add an order number or any other reference you need. Main address. This will auto fill from your customer saved information. Next, let's add items to the invoice. Description. Enter what the product or service. Be clear and concise here. Category. If you want to change the default category, click the drop down and choose the right one. Price rate. Add the price of the item or the hourly rate for the service. Tax rate. Choose the correct tax rate if it applies. Total. Make sure this matches your item quantity and pricing. If needed, you can also enter notes, terms and conditions or additional comments to clarify payment terms and delivery details. Want to attach a file? No problem. Just click attachment, then upload files and select your document, whether it's a brochure, image or any supporting file. Once everything looks good, click one of these options. Save invoice to finalize, save as draft to revisit later, or save and add new if working through multiple invoices. And finally, when you're ready to send your store invoice, open it from sales invoice page and choose whether to print, email, or download it from the options on the right. And that's it. You have just created a complete customer invoice Sage 50 in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and for more tech tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.